Listen, little kids.
So the question was, why can't a recovering addict use drugs again? And the answer is, well, they can, because a lot of addicts use other drugs that they weren't specifically too fond of, just to create a little change in their existence.
That's like
Like,
Ramona.
you're not a drug addict, are you?
No.
And he was born in 1950. This is Tom Collier, so he's going to answer a little bit of that question. Like you've taken like everything from mescaline to like everything.
Psilocybin acid, crystal methadone, amphetamines.
Everything. He's even like injected crystal meth, and he's like more chipper and like fully brain function than, look at him smoking that nicotinamide stick. That's activates the nicotinamide pathway. Because really, folks, drugs, and by the way, I used to be a drug addict, if you want to call it that. I was a nutraceutical addict because I made my own. One was called GHB, that's gamma hydroxymethylbutyrate. Say that 10 times fast. Gamma hydroxymethylbutyrate, gamma hydroxymethylbutyrate, gamma. See, my brain's fully functional. And it's because I actually changed my brain because I did it for so long, like 12 years. And now I've taken 12 years of not using it. I haven't touched it since the day I said that I wouldn't. So obviously I'm not a drug addict. People that are addicted to drugs are actually addicted to the state that they were in when they first started taking them, because it gave them peace and solace most of the time. So you take an alcoholic, and that's not a cold sore, it's a zit. And yeah, so many of them fall back into that pattern because they just never have had the proper therapy, because they're going to places like AA, which don't provide therapy. They just provide a doorway so you can start feeling okay about yourself, because you're with a group of people that are also admitting that they too are addicts, or at one point were addicts. So I hope this sort of answers your question a little bit. And the only time that someone is truly addicted to anything is when they don't get help and do a lot of therapy. And I've done more therapies than you can imagine, which is why I'm sitting here talking to you. And most people can't even understand because I talk so fast, because my brain is fully functional, except for my short-term memory. But who cares? You just attach everything to your body and systemize. That's the solution to that.